In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix the Telegram verification code not received or not being sent to your mobile device. So once we're on our phone, what we can do is if you go to Telegram and you are unable to receive the verification code, we need to head to settings. From here, you want to then scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the option for apps. Click on this. And then from here, if we scroll down until we see the option for messages, so if we keep on scrolling down, you will now see the option for messages. Click into this. Now what we need to do is we need to go down until we see the option for iMessage. We want to disable this just for the fact that iMessage sometimes doesn't allow other third parties such as Telegram to message through iMessage. Once we have done this, the second thing that we can check is if we go down towards the bottom, you will then see an option for filter unknown senders. Now, as you can see, this is toggled on. A lot of the time it will be toggled on by default. So you just need to double check that this is turned off, because if you haven't got Telegram in your contacts, every time they try and send you the verification code, it will just get blocked if this setting is enabled. So make sure this is turned off. And make sure the iMessage setting is also turned off. You will then be able to go back to Telegram and click on resend code, and then that should then fix the problem that you are having with the verification code not being received. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.